Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. We haven't been on like a walking adventure for a while, a local one to us, and we're planning on doing one tomorrow. I'm going to cook some lunch on the way or during the walk, and I've just been going through my day bag, which I've done a video on that before, and I've just been deciding whether to take a gas stove or mess stove or both. Well, we're off on an adventure today. I've got my camouflage fleece on and Jane's got a reflective jacket. Very bushcrafty today. Well, we're off for a donder. The sun's come out. Jane's inconspicuous. And here's the old folk. Look, I've got my camouflage.
The old folk?
Please. All right. Well, you're older than me. We've got a trangier with us, and some lunch, and some coffee bags. Are they Taylor's coffee bags?
Yeah.
Hey. The water's down there, and the trees, the woods. But I'm going that way, which is straight into the sun. So Jane's got even more, what's the word? Are you anonymous today? We don't know who you are. Sun is shining. Jane's got her sunglasses on. Just walking into the sun. There's a few fishing boats out. There's one going across there, and the sun is that way. And you, oh, look at the colours, Jane. You can tell it's autumn.
It was the rain, wasn't it?
The rain, yeah. Yeah. Don't mind it being cold, foggy, damp.
Could have been foggy.
This is good. Bongo's Bench. Alison Fowers, Ali Bongo. 1968 to Let's Sit Together and Smile for a While. Bongo's friends sit on the bench, please keep your dogs off of it. And somebody's left this mushroom.
Really good one.
Yeah, you hold that's
Put it
the
back
top.
together.
Put it back together. Look at that.
Well, it's not been there very long, has
No,
it?
it
To
hasn't.
be a light condition,
No.
no.
Autumn leaves, and we're going through the nature reserve or the woods all the way to the dam. And going to get coffee and something to eat with a trangier. Yeah, in the woods. Mother and child in the background having fun in the puddles. Mother and toddler, really. Yeah, it's still very green in there. I'm glad we're out. I was getting a bit, what's the word in the house? Stir crazy, yeah. Needed an adventure. I think it's addictive, you know, travel and being outdoors. Yeah. It's lovely though, isn't it? There's been a few cyclists coming along this path. Not many. 4 was there? Haven't seen a man with a dog?
And a lady and a toddler.
A lady and a toddler. You rustle, and I squeak. Perhaps we should change the YouTube channel to Rustle and Squeak. Not Sooty and Sweep, Rustle and Squeak. Sun's through the trees. Are we halfway yet? Is it coffee break yet? Well, we've found a place for a coffee break. This one in the sun. You want to sit in that one? Yeah, okay. Yeah. One there. Try that one. There's all these benches. Gosh, look at this. Coffee break. Coffee. Joe's go up to this bench. Loads of ducks over there. I wonder if they'll come over. This will do for coffee break. It's a bit windy today, and it's the 27.2 series, and we've actually got a larger kettle. And we'll see how we get on. Yeah, could do. It's exactly 10:30. That's the original kettle sitting in there, the lid for the Trangia. It's a cool breeze today. No, I'll put them back in the bag. We'll see how it takes. See the stick back there? It's the lid.
Yep.
We've got a boil. Yeah. So
what's that, 10 minutes?
8. So that's the top on. To save the fuel, we've got enough water. That's it. That extinguishes it. Just by putting this cap on. That's it. That looks all right, doesn't it? Coffee bags. Taylor. Are we having milk with it?
Yep.
Well, that looks all right, doesn't it? Coffee. So, we use a Trangia for the water. We've used Taylor's Roast 4 coffee bags, and we got Scottish shortbread biscuits. Is that all right? And the ducks are gone. We had a few ducks come to see if there's anything going for them, but they're gone now. Yeah, the yacht out, and where we sat, there's a crow gone to have a look, see if he left anything. But we haven't, because we only just had a drink. A few boats moored up for the winter. Some of them have been. A car park for boats, yeah. Well, they're not moored, are they? They're
just parked.
Parked, yeah, that's true. Is there a word for that then? Because it's not mooring, is it?
They're parked.
They're parked, yeah. I hadn't thought about that. That's a nice one, look at that. They're fiberglass, aren't they?
Yeah.
Or GRP. A bit like the roof of our van. This area, the estuaries, will have a lot of the water sports. Canoeing, sailing. Yeah, and they have a water park, don't they, with slides. Paddleboarding or supboarding, or some people call it. Well, we've got another break. This is our lunch break, and this is where we are. Got a nice bench. And we've got, I've no idea what that is, rice and beans or something. Chickpea curry. And it's a really, really windy day. I'm not sure that'll work. It's too far from the flame, but we'll give it a go. I have to try these things. Chickpea curry with rice. Trangier 27. Windy day.
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Meth stove. We've got a gas conversion on order because we've got so many gas bottles. And there's a few children over there. There's a man in his boat.
We'll just let it
Fishing
boil
it.
up again.
Yeah. That's, gosh, can't believe it. What's the date? 22nd of October, and we're out having a little adventure. Oh, my stomach's churning. I'm getting hungry. Some nice fungy things. Right, leave no trace. And on our way back now. And it's getting a bit cooler, I think.
Well, I think it's because we're stuffing.
Yeah, I think so. Oh, I feel it blowing down the back of my neck. On our way back now, and the light keeps changing. I'll see if I can get some photos of that, because that looks quite good now. Trudging along back to the car. Well, yeah, I am. I'm struggling a bit. My hip joint aches on the left hand side. And I forgot what I was going to say now. Oh yeah, I think I need a beer. Are we going to Spooners?
Yes, we're going to steak.
You're having a steak? Okay. What are you having with your steak? Salad. I was talking about alcohol more than anything.
Wine.
What, Merlot?
Yes.
Or Shiraz? Or Shiraz? Okay, some people coming, so I'm going to stop the video. And there's that blooming aircraft coming over. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. What's funny?
That aircraft is on everything.
It's on every video I do locally, yeah. I know, it's ridiculous, isn't it?